Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the daily Bitcoin update. Here, the big news as yesterday, guys, but it's so important. I showed you yesterday this video. Sorry about the bad audio sound yesterday, but now today with big new, really cool microphone. Here it is, guys. The big news again, Bitcoin P-cycle indicator signals overheated bull market. Guys, that's so important. I know a big bump today, but look at this. It's not unimportant to watch this. Look at this picture, guys. We saw this P-cycle top indicator here on this last bull runs. Look at this bull run 2013, and the P-cycle top indicator hit it perfect. We saw a spike over this and then a downgoing Bitcoin price. Here, the next one, 2014, the next bull run, the P-cycle top indicator hit perfect, going down to the downside. 2018, P-cycle indicator, look at this. We did not hit this indicator, but you see it is really close to this and going down. Now, look at this. The P-cycle top is near, guys. It's really near. We will check this in this video now. Here is the crypto fear and greed index, and yes, we have greed in the market with 74 points. And we have yesterday we had 74 points, last week we had 75 points, and last month we had extreme greed in the market with 78 points. Here is the coin market cap.com. The important site for me. I'm always looking at this site on the morning, on midday, on evening. Every time I'm looking at this site, it's very important. Here, Bitcoin is momently going up with 3.58%, and it's going up in the week with 6.6%. We have a green, nice upgoing chart picture here for the last 7 days for Bitcoin. Ethereum is going up also 3.2%, in the week 4.7%. So in this week, Bitcoin is performing a little bit better as Ethereum. Binance coin, look at this, it's going up 45%. On the daily, it's going down a little bit with 0.88%. XRP, mooning momently, 22% on the day, 71% in the week, bam. So Cardano is going up a little bit with 4.8% in the week with 14%. Polkadot's going up a little bit on the daily and minus 6% in the week. Uniswap, nice 5% on the day, 12.7% on the week. Litecoin, 4.5% on the day, 11.54% in the week. XLM is now place number 10 again, 6% on the daily, 16% in the week. Chainlink is going down a little bit on the weekly with 2%, but on the day it's going up with 1%. Tether, okay, nothing special here. Tron is going up very nicely. Dogecoin is also going on in the weekly also, and so on and so on and so on. Guys, what coin is the biggest winner of 24 hours? Ta-da! This is XRP. XRP is the biggest winner of 24 hours. What? Damn, 22% in the plus. And Nexo, also the place number 2, 17% in the plus. And Tor, Chain, Rune is going up with 13%. These are the 3 biggest winners here of 24 hours. Guys, what is the biggest loser of 24 hours? Quack, 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 wow. It's Voyager token. The biggest loser is Voyager token with 12.4% in the minus. Dent with 11% in the minus, and BTMX in the minus with about 10%. Okay, guys, that's the quick overview for CoinMarketCap. What's going on with the Bitcoin dominance? You can see it here. 54.2% is the dominance, and Ethereum is also going down a little bit with 11.9%. If we will check this now, guys, very interesting. I would like to show you something very quick here. This picture now is very cool. Look at this. We have here the percentage of total market capitalization. So let's check this now, guys. You can see the Bitcoin dominance was on 70% here on this spike, and now it's going down and down and down, momently 54%. But also Ethereum, you can see it was on 16% and it's going down, also momently on 12% or 11.4%. And others, there are other coins, they are coming from the downside here. These are all other coins here. I think over 9,000 coins or something like this are momently on the crypto, in the crypto world here. So this is very important. Ethereum is going down a little bit with the dominance, and Bitcoin is going down here also with the dominance. Let's check this one. This is the overview for the trading overview for Bitcoin, the technical analysis. Here is the monthly time frame, strong buy, and buy Bitcoin. The weekly time frame, buy, strong buy, and the neutral on the oscillators. The daily, strong buy, and buy Bitcoin. The 4 hours, buy on the summary, strong buy on the moving averages, and on the oscillators we have a sell. We will watch this now in this TA. On the 1 hour we have a buy, a strong buy, and a neutral, and on 50 minutes also a buy and a neutral. Guys, very important, I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Here is the chart. Here is the chart picture, and here is the weekly chart. Every candle is a week. And guys, I told you this, we have to watch this pi cycle indicator, and we will check it now here on this chart picture. Here is the pi cycle, and you can see here, this is the pi cycle top. I showed you this, I know I showed you this yesterday, but it's so important for me, and I think, in my opinion, we should take a look about this one here. Now, let's check this here. I have to search some things. Here's the price level, and we can make a point here to the top. And here is the top momently on 65,800. This is the pi circle top. And you can see we are momently on a price about 63,000, 62,700. And we have a little place to go up more. But look at this, guys. I showed you here on 2018. We do not hit this pi cycle top. So we have, maybe we must not hit this one, or we will spike over it. You can see it here on 2013. It's only an indicator, but for me it's very important to watch this, guys. So keep this in our mind, keep this 65,000 in our mind. Now we have a nice, really nice upgoing Bitcoin. Look at these big candles to the upside, and yes, these big wicks here to the downside. These candlesticks are helping us for this pump. Look at this big wicks to the downside and this one, and now a nice upgoing Bitcoin. So, okay, for this picture, everything is fine. Everything is really nice. Look at the next things. What's going on with this one? Let's check the Fibonacci retracement from this last bull run here, from this point to the downside here to the lowest point here. This was maybe something like this. And if we will check this things here, let me check it very quick here. This is the Fibonacci, and we can see the next Fibonacci line here. You can see it on the upper left side is on 63,800. That's the next Fibonacci line, and that's maybe the next point we will hit here on the 3.618 Fibonacci line. So let's make a price label on this point here on 63,800 because of this Fibonacci line. Also very important to watch this. If we will go down here from this last bull run to the downside, we have a big support to the downside. Also to watch this point here, 47,000. That's the 2.618 Fibonacci line. Okay, guys, that's the quick overview for the 1 week. Check the indicators now. What is telling us the MACD? MACD is telling us ultra bullish. Look at this. A big blue line over the brown line with a lot of space. It's so extreme bullish. Damn, guys. The other thing is, guys, the candles are not growing here. They're going to the downside. They are not dark green. They are light green. And that means we may see a downgoing Bitcoin price here also for the MACD if we watch this. So the relative strength index. The next thing we have to watch is this relative strength index. And yes, this is the weekly one, and this is making me ultra bearish momently because we have a downgoing RSI. You can see it like this here. We have an overbought Bitcoin with 74 points on the weekly. So I am bearish here for this thing if we watch at the relative strength index. Bearish divergence, downgoing relative strength index, upgoing Bitcoin price, an extreme bearish thing, guys. Maybe the top is near. Maybe, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, but maybe the top is here. We have to take a look about this, guys. So we are still in the weekly. And what's going on with the ribbon band? We don't need it. MA21, we don't need it. Look at this. We are all the way over this. So we are not wasting time here. This is the daily Bitcoin chart. Let's check this now. RSI bearish, you can see it, it's a downgoing relative strength index. Okay, for sure we don't need it. MACD, I think we don't need the MACD, but let's check it very quick. MACD, bullish, blue line over the brown line, everything is fine. On the daily, it's a bullish MACD. Look at this. We are building now green candles to the upside. Bullish thing. Look at this here on the upside. You know it, guys. This is our maybe pi cycle top, 65,000. Not so much way to the upside. And this yellow line, also very important. This is our Fibonacci we have to watch. We will make here a resistance line. So we can keep that in our mind, a red resistance line. And we can set a price level to this one. To keep this in our mind, 63,800. P cycle also, we make a price, a resistance line here on the P cycle top. So we have this always here on our chart picture here. It's very important in my opinion. So let's remove the Fibonacci's. Not so important momently for us. And this is our nice chart picture on the daily chart. What's going on with the indicators? Now we will check the ribbon band. Let me show you here where it is. The ribbon band, here it is. Ribbon band, nice support to the upside. We are over the ribbon band. Everything is fine. Everything is okay. Also with this daily candle, there's time to close 10 hours. Everything is nice. No big wick to the upside. Everything is okay. From the downside is coming here our support momently on 37,000. That's the EMA 200. Everything is okay. We can make also now a big uptrend trend channel here. From the downside, parallel channel, maybe from here to here. And to the upside. So this is a nice working parallel trend, uptrend channel with a green line here. So everything is fine. You can see the middle line here is our resistance momently, but it's a long way to this resistance. Okay, everything is fine, guys. Nothing special to see. What's very important, in my opinion, to watch is the MA, the moving average. And the MA21, but I think the MA21 is a long way down. Here we have it as a nice support. Everything is fine. Let's check it with the lengths. What was this? Okay, this is here. I can see it. I can see it. It's, in my opinion, not really necessary to watch. Here is a big fat MA21 on the downside. It's a support. So what can we see now from this, guys? What are we watching here? Look at this. We have some things to watch. 63,000 to the upside, next big resistance. Okay, the next thing we have to watch, if we will come down here again, we have here the downtrend channel, 58,000. We have momently the MA21 of 57,800. So it's possible, it's still possible to go down here a little bit more. We are making higher highs, okay, for sure. And that's all a good thing. That's all good stuff, guys, here for the daily chart. Let's move into the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, ribbon band, fine, support, MA21, fine, support. Now we are building a red candle to the downside, and this candle started with a lower high, so that's not the best thing for the moment, but everything is fine, everything is okay. MA21 is here, ribbon band is here, EMA 200 is here, everything is fine. What is telling us the MACD? We will remove the P cycle, it's not so important. We have our price target here on the upside, and let's check now from the downside the MACD, but I think it's in a really nice position. Yes, the green, look at this, the blue line over the brown line, everything is fine. We are building more and more green candles. That's not the baddest thing here for more pump to the upside to our next target. And yes, we know the next target is here, 63,800. And this line is important, 66,000. So, okay, for sure. Everything is okay, guys. Everything is working. Let's check the 1-hour chart before we are talking about the pattern, what's going on here. 1-hour chart, blue line over the brown line, everything is bullish, everything is fine. Ribbon band, fine, everything fine. Thank you and goodbye. That's it. So now let's check the next thing here. We are here in this, maybe in this pattern. We have to watch at some patterns here, guys. I showed you here some things we have to watch, and this is, in my opinion, really important. Maybe this was a shoulder, an inverse shoulder, a head and a shoulder. And yes, I told you guys, if we will break it out to the upside, we have a really nice target here. This was our trend line, not our trend line, our baseline. And yes, if we will break out to the upside, we can make a target to the upside from the downside here to the baseline like this. And we can make the line here. Here was the breakout and we have a really, really nice target to the upside, like this here, the price level, 70,000. Okay, guys, that's the big picture. That's its the inverse shoulder head shoulder, and this was the breakout to the upside. And yes, this is momently still working. This pattern is momently working and playing out. Everything is fine. Everything is okay. We also had another stuff. This is our cup and handle. I can show you very quick here. This cup and handle, I told you this since days here. I need this as a favorite also. So since days here, we had here the highest point. Here was the next highest point, and nothing happened because this was a brush. Damn curve here. We need the curve from the start point to this point here, and this to the downside. And you can see this is a nice coffee cup here. And the handle was the downgoing parallel channel like this one here. Downgoing channel from here to here. And yes, since days we watched this downgoing trend, and bam, we broke it to the upside. So it's a really nice thing here, really nice pattern that is playing out. Also, we have here this middle thing here to the upside, and you can see it's the same stuff here. It's really the same thing. It's not necessary to watch if it is a cup and handle or a shoulder and shoulder. Both patterns are momently playing out to the upside with the big target to 70,000. And yes, why not? 70,000 is really, really possible. A spike to 70,000 is really possible. I know our P target is on 66,000, but why not to spike over 70,000 and then a downgoing Bitcoin, then a correction? It's possible, guys. In my opinion, it's possible, and I'm prepared. I'm in a long position here. I'm in a long position since 58,000 here, and I will take some profit here, maybe on 63,800, maybe on 66, or on our big target, I will take profit on 70,000. That's my thing for trading, and that's the big picture for Bitcoin. Guys, that's it for the day. Very, very important. This is my live stream, guys. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, and please join this live stream. I'm live on YouTube and on Twitch. And guys, I hope you will join my live stream. Nice guys here. Here's momently Crypto Sharknado. Here's in the chart, in the chat. Subcritically is here in the chat. Jack McKenzie, 2 months abo. Thank you very much, Jack. McKenzie, thank you very much. And also thank you very much today, Ludo Dado. He made a 5 abo. No, he gifted 5 abos here to my great community. Thank you very much here for this one, Ludo Dado. And my big boss, my new boss of the channel is Tsar Machine 96. Hello and welcome. You are slayed a little bit. You have 3,000 life points, but now you have only 1,000 because of these nice donations here from my nice community. You're my big boss, Tsar Machine. If you would like to know something, if you would like to know something about some coins or need TA, you are a VIP, you can ask me anything you want. You are my big boss here. Guys, that's it. Here's the quick overview of my live stream. You have here all you need for trading. 5-minute chart on the upper right side, 15-minute chart here, 1 hour chart for Bitcoin, 4 hour chart for Bitcoin. Here on the upper left side, Ethereum with live sell, buy signals, long, short signals. You see here on the downside, should you buy momently or should you sell? You have a big overview. You can see XRP is mooning, it's dark green. BNB is going down, it's red. So you can see here really everything. Here on the down left side, you have some nice signals, how much is momently buying or selling. So all you need here overview here is what's going up or what's going down. What are the newest things here? Swap on sushi like a professional with Sushi Pro, Fiat League, Tangled, and so on, guys. You have here everything you need for trading. Please watch this live stream. Guys, that's it. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.